Hello again, everybody. I'm gonna do a couple more missions today. So, what's the new thing? Final touch. Okay. Tools at quilt. Yeah, let's just do this. Haven't seen him in a while. Last piece. Yeah, let's not actually do that. Yeah, this connecting the dots. I don't actually know how I'm supposed to get all the targets, so yeah. I'm gonna try anyway. Come on, you can load up. Footsteps. That's optional. I don't need the optional. Okay, kind of destroying this truck. Yeah, let's see what else do we need. Basically, we just need to bring the truck up in there. Wonder how we can do that. How are we gonna do this? Let's bring the vehicle over. Come on, get in. Okay. Bring it over here. Okay, let's just go this way. What? I don't need that. What am I doing? How are we gonna do this? Are these alarmed? Okay, so I'm guessing if we destroy that, it's gonna just disconnect. So it's just gonna alarm the alarm. Okay, so yeah. I have no idea how we're gonna do this. Download communication data device. Simulating connecting multiple transmission antennas to the surveillance van. Okay, I've already tried doing this mission, so we're just gonna abort mission and skip it, and then we're gonna do another one, alright? Yeah. Yeah, I can't really do this. Skip mission. Christmas! This is Hanukkah. There's candy canes. There's lots of lights everywhere. It's amazing. This is my favorite version of my house. Yeah. Let's go downstairs.
Really?
Yeah? Look at Christmas tree! And presents. What's in the presents? There's nothing in the presents. I need something. Give me the present. What is this? Chandelier? It's not a Christmas tree. We need Christmas trees. I'm actually gonna... There goes the Christmas tree. supposed to be candles. They don't look like candles. New message. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna skip all the side missions because we're just looking at the other things. Okay, yeah, we're looking at real missions. Yeah, real missions. But I'm pretty sure we'll get a new tool's been delivered. Ooh, what is this? Let's see. I'm pretty sure it's insanely explosive. Yeah, it's totally insanely explosive. Amazing. That was insanely explosive and insanely awesome, so. Yeah, I kind of ran out of stuff there. I'd shoot you. Okay, let's do this. There's a couple more of these things, so just gonna skip mission because it's a side mission. Yeah, there's a lot of mission skipping here. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the other mission. The pawn shop. Top dog, a new tool has been delivered. It's a full-on rifle. Okay, hunting rifle. Yep, I've also heard it goes through things. A hole straight through this. And then a whole tree goes down. That was amazing. Just took down the whole tree with my rifle. How can this, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade this because I want to. Also, I'm gonna try tools, yes. Hunting rifle. Nitroglycerin. Okay, no, fine, I can't do that. Vehicle thruster, rocket. Yep, messages. Technology, the droid abduction. I wonder what this is. Play mission. Guard robots. Droid prototypes are kept in secure vaults. Use the heavy laser cutter to melt the vault doors. Bring at least one droid prototype to the escape boat. This is a pretty nice looking boat. Yeah, I can't escape yet. Where are the robots? I'm gonna go to the closest thing. Same level as me. Okay, so it's down this level. I really do not like the guard robots. Any robots here? Yeah. And if I do decide to skip this, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and make another video where I try to complete this mission. All right? Yeah. Actually, let's just do the main menu. I have a very good plan. It'll make this a whole lot easier, so we don't have to worry about those robots. Mods P. Where's the physics guy? All the M's. Physics gun. There. It's campaign. Now we won't have to worry about those robots. Too bad they're indestructible though. Yep. Let's do this mission. The droid abduction. Come on, load. Yes, this is the physics gun. Do you want to know what it does? This. Yeah, that. To bring you back here. You know what, you're going places. You just sunk for it. Come on, don't sink on me. No, seriously, don't sink on me. Boat cannot actually stay where it wants to be, so I'm gonna put it here. The boat does not even float. Come on, dude. Fine, I think I'm gonna put you over there. Fine, I'm restarting it. The boat doesn't even float, it's just there. It doesn't even float, dude. Yeah, don't do anything with this boat. It doesn't even float, so yeah, be careful. Let's go here. Get a thingy out, get this out of the way. Come on, dude, get out of here. Congratulations. Noah, Eli, Henry, I highly recommend this modded item because it is insane. Pretty sure it's made by Gary, apparently. Where are the robots? Oh yeah, I can't fly, I forgot. Pretty sure there's one in here. Okay, maybe there isn't, I don't know. If there is, I'm gonna leave because I want to. Also, my fingers are completely messed up right now. I can't really walk anywhere. I don't know why. I'm usually good. Rip the door off its hinges. Get the TV out of here. This is like completely different. Put this into the ground. Chuck it out the window. Yeah. It actually stayed in place. Amazing. These, what are these? This is not working. Come on. Okay, where are the robot thingies? Same level as fire, so it's on this floor. Robot should come here. Now he should definitely come. If he doesn't come, I'm gonna be so mad because he should come. Yeah. Just rip this. We don't need it anymore. It's useless. Come on. Congratulations. Come on. Where's that robot, dude? Shouldn't there be one here? Because I'm kind of scared now because usually there's one. You should get over here. I thought they do this when noises happen. I thought they come. Don't they? I'm pretty sure they do. Fine, I'll go in. Actually, it's way over there, so yeah, never mind. I can move this? Can I rip it off its hinges? Probably. Fine, I'll go up the stairs. I can't even use the physics gun to do anything with this. Dude. Get 8 of these? Is there anything past here? 48 meters below player. Fine. After all that, it's taking so long, dude. Is it under here? Is that how I get there? Why am I just continuously falling? Dude, is it in here? Where is it? Come on, where's this? Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do this. Sorry, guys, we couldn't really do anything with this, so yeah. Okay, bye.